It's a heartbreaking reality that countless species that once roamed our planet have vanished forever. From ancient creatures lost millions of years ago to animals that disappeared just a decade back, many will never be seen again. But despite our best efforts, humans haven't explored every corner of the Earth. And in some extraordinary cases, species declared extinct have been rediscovered, hidden away in remote, untouched regions. You'd be amazed at what has been found in the farthest reaches of the world. Today, we bring you 20 remarkable examples of animals once thought extinct, but that are still alive and thriving. One such example is the Chaco Peery, a large hog-like creature whose existence was first pieced together from fossil records in the 1930s. It's a unique case where scientists formed an idea of the animal from ancient bones, believing it had long vanished, only to discover decades later that it was alive and well in the remote Chaco region of Argentina. While the indigenous people were well aware of the pecary's existence, it wasn't until the 1970s that Western scientists realized this species was not extinct after all. Today, it's known as the last remaining member of its genus, with only about 3,000 individuals still in existence. These resilient creatures thrive in extreme conditions, surviving in scorching, arid landscapes by consuming various types of cacti. Traveling in herds of around 20, they've adapted remarkably to their harsh environment, defying the odds and outlasting the extinction label placed on them. The Chaco Peery is living proof that nature has its secrets, and sometimes what we believe is lost might just be waiting to be rediscovered. Number 19. The Takah. The Takah is a remarkable story of survival against all odds. This flightless bird, native to New Zealand's wetlands, is the largest living member of the rail family. Hunted to near extinction by the indigenous Maori people, the Takah had faded into history, known to Europeans only by fossilized bones, first classified in 1847. By 1850, the bird was considered extinct, with no living specimens in sight, until a miracle happened. In the early 20th century, a living Takah was captured and brought back to Europe. However, once that bird died, the species was again presumed lost forever. Decades passed and the Takah became just another tragic symbol of extinction. But in 1948, the unthinkable occurred. A scientist named Geoffrey Orbell rediscovered the Takah in a remote, untouched valley in the Murchison Mountains of New Zealand. This remarkable bird, thought to be lost forever, had survived undetected for over 50 years. Today, thanks to the efforts of New Zealand's Department of Conservation and their dedicated Takah preservation program, this species is making a slow but steady comeback. Populations are being carefully managed on offshore islands as well as in their namesake Takah Valley. There are now roughly 500 Takah living in New Zealand, a small number, but a hopeful one. The efforts of conservationists have shown that with determination and care, even species once written off as extinct can be given a second chance. The Takah story is a powerful reminder of the resilience of nature and the vital importance of preservation efforts. Number 18. The Crested Gecko. The Crested Gecko's story is one of both mystery and revival. Today, you might find this striking reptile in homes around the world as part of the exotic pet trade, but few know just how close we came to never seeing this species again. Once thought to be extinct, the Crested Gecko was rediscovered in 1994 by Robert Sipe, decades after it had vanished from scientific records. Originally discovered in 1866, the Crested Gecko faced multiple misclassifications before finally being properly categorized. Not related to most other gecko species, these creatures are unique, especially known for the distinctive fringe of eyelashes above their eyes, which adds to their captivating appearance. Measuring between 6 to 10 inches, they also have a semi-prehensile tail that helps them navigate their environment with ease. Though they were once thought lost to extinction, the species has made an extraordinary comeback. Thanks to conservation efforts and careful breeding programs, thousands of crested geckos now thrive both in the wild and as beloved pets. However, they remain a protected species, and owning one without a license is strictly regulated. The crested gecko's story is a testament to the power of rediscovery. From the brink of extinction to a thriving population, this resilient species serves as a reminder that life can find a way, even when all hope seems lost. Number 17. The New Holland Mouse. The New Holland Mouse is a tiny, elusive creature with a fascinating history of rediscovery. First described by George Waterhouse in 1843, this mouse vanished from sight for over a century, believed to be lost forever. Then, in 1967, it was unexpectedly rediscovered in Crested National Park, just north of Sydney, Australia. An incredible revival that breathed life back into this species' story. Native to Southeast Australia, the New Holland Mouse has never managed to spread beyond its homeland, making it an endemic species with a particularly fragile existence. These diminutive mice, small enough to perch on just 2 fingers, sport soft gray-brown fur and a dusty brown tail. Interestingly, their environment plays a role in their size, with Tasmanian mice being slightly larger than their mainland relatives. Today, there are approximately 8,000 New Holland mice left in the wild. But this number is rapidly declining, a concerning trend for conservationists. Efforts are now in full swing to protect this species from vanishing again. But the race against time is a difficult one. The story of the New Holland Mouse serves as a poignant reminder of how delicate life can be. Once thought to be extinct, their rediscovery offers hope. But with their numbers dwindling, urgent action is needed to ensure that they don't disappear for good this time. The fight to preserve them is not just about saving a species, but about safeguarding the diversity and balance of Australia's unique ecosystems. Number 16. The Large-billed Reed Warbler. The large-billed reed warbler has earned a reputation as the world's least-known bird, and for good reason. Identified from a single specimen collected in India in 1867, the bird then seemingly disappeared for well over a century. It wasn't until 2006, when ornithologists rediscovered a living specimen in Thailand, that this mysterious bird once again came into the spotlight. Through DNA testing of its feathers, researchers confirmed that the bird in Thailand was indeed the same species as the one found in India all those years ago. This rediscovery was a monumental moment in ornithology, marking the return of a long thought to be lost. The captured bird was then released back into the wild, and in the following years, more exciting discoveries unfolded. A second specimen was found in the same region, and in 2009, a breeding area was identified in Afghanistan. Despite these breakthroughs, the large-billed reed warbler remains critically endangered. With only an estimated 20 to 50 individuals left in the world, this bird's future hangs by a thread. The exact numbers are difficult to determine, but it's clear that urgent preservation efforts are needed to ensure the survival of this rare species. The large-billed reed warbler's story is a testament to nature's hidden treasures, how a species can elude us for generations, only to resurface when least expected. But with so few of these birds remaining, the clock is ticking. Conservationists are racing against time to protect the last of these elusive warblers before they disappear once more, perhaps for good. Number 15. The Arican forest turtle. The Arican forest turtle, once thought to be extinct, is a critically endangered species native to the remote Arican Hills in western Myanmar. This semi-terrestrial turtle is remarkable for its ability to thrive both on land and in aquatic environments. While young turtles may frequent water, adult Arican forest turtles tend to prefer the dense, rugged forest floors, far from the reach of human activity. For decades, scientists believed this species had disappeared forever, until its unexpected rediscovery in the Rakhine Yoma elephant range of Myanmar. This discovery ignited hope as researchers declared the region a prime focus for conservation efforts. Despite the challenges posed by local hunting practices, the turtle's habitat is largely inaccessible and sparsely populated, providing some level of natural protection from human interference. Unfortunately, these turtles face another threat: illegal poaching. Highly prized in China's black market pet trade, Arican forest turtles are often captured and sold to collectors, reducing their already dwindling numbers. The exact population of these turtles in the wild remains unknown, but efforts to breed and repopulate the species are slow and painstaking. The Arican forest turtle's story highlights the urgent need for increased conservation efforts. While rediscovery offers a glimmer of hope, The race to protect this species is far from over. If successful, these efforts will not only safeguard a species, but also preserve a critical part of Myanmar's natural heritage. The clock is ticking, and this turtle's survival depends on our actions now. Number 14. The Madagascar Serpent Eagle. The Madagascar Serpent Eagle is a rare and enigmatic bird of prey, and for many years it was believed to be lost to extinction. This powerful predator, native to the island of Madagascar, is the only species in its genus, Eutriorchis, making it a truly unique and irreplaceable part of the natural world. Living exclusively in subtropical and tropical lowland forests, the serpent eagle was rediscovered after decades of being presumed extinct, though it remains critically threatened by habitat loss. With an impressive wingspan of around 1 meter, the Madagascar serpent eagle prefers the dense, humid environments of evergreen forests, where it hunts its prey in the thick canopy. This bird rarely flies higher than 500 meters, relying on its stealth and sharp eyesight to spot lemurs, snakes, lizards, and frogs from high perches. Once it identifies its target, it swoops down swiftly, capturing its prey with deadly talons. Though the rediscovery of the Madagascar serpent eagle offers hope, its future remains uncertain. With an estimated population of only a few hundred individuals, this magnificent bird faces an uphill battle against the encroaching threats of deforestation and habitat destruction. The Madagascar serpent eagle's story is both a warning and a beacon of hope. While its rediscovery shows that some species can survive undetected for decades, it also underscores the urgent need for conservation efforts. Without immediate action to protect its fragile forest habitat, the serpent eagle could easily slip back into the shadows. This time, for good. Number 13. Monito del Monte. The Monito del Monte, also known as the Kolokolo opossum, is a fascinating marsupial native to the temperate forests of southwestern South America. It's the last surviving species of an ancient order called Microbiotheria, and the only New World representative of the superorder Australadelphia, making it a living relic of Earth's evolutionary history. This nocturnal, tree-dwelling creature spends most of its life high in the canopy, using its prehensile tail to expertly navigate the dense forests. Agile and elusive, the Monito del Monte thrives in the bamboo thickets and temperate rainforests of the region, primarily feasting on insects and small invertebrates, though it also supplements its diet with fruits. Its arboreal lifestyle and nocturnal habits allow it to remain hidden, but this enigmatic marsupial was once thought to have vanished completely. The Monito del Monte's rediscovery was a beacon of hope, as the species has since rebounded from the brink of extinction. Though still classified as near threatened, conservation efforts are giving it a fighting chance to thrive once again. Its survival is critical, not only to its own species, but also to the preservation of its unique ecological niche in South America's rich biodiversity. The Monito del Monte's story reminds us of nature's resilience, but also of its fragility. While this ancient marsupial has made a comeback, continued habitat protection is essential to ensure that it doesn't disappear from our world for good. Number 12. The Bermuda petrel. The Bermuda petrel, affectionately known as the Cahow due to its eerie, haunting call, is a nocturnal, ground-nesting seabird that holds a special place in the hearts of Bermudians. Once thought to be extinct for over 300 years, this resilient bird was dramatically rediscovered when scientists found 18 nesting pairs in the mid-20th century. A discovery so significant that it inspired books, documentaries, and a national movement to protect this remarkable species. The Cahow's rediscovery wasn't just a biological marvel, it became a symbol of hope and determination for an island nation that had long considered its national bird lost forever. The Bermuda petrel is even depicted on the country's currency, a proud reminder of the ongoing efforts to save it. Thanks to a dedicated national preservation program, the population of Bermuda petrels has begun to rebound. Efforts to restore and expand nesting habitats, particularly on Nonsuch Island, have shown promise. However, despite these strides, the species remains critically endangered. With its fragile population still recovering, there's a long road ahead before it can be considered safe from extinction. The Bermuda petrel's story underscores the importance of persistent conservation efforts. Once considered gone, the cow's return to Bermuda's skies is a testament to the power of human intervention when nature is given the chance to heal. But the battle isn't over yet. Continued dedication is essential to ensure this iconic bird continues to thrive for generations to come. Number 11. Nelson's Smalleared Shrew. Nelson's Smalleared Shrew, a tiny and elusive mammal native to eastern Mexico, is a species that seemed to vanish without a trace for over a century. Discovered in 1894 by naturalists Edward William Nelson and Edward Alfonso Goldman on the slopes of the San Martin volcano in Veracruz, it quickly faded from scientific view, leading to the belief that it had gone extinct. For over 100 years, this small creature remained a mystery, until 2004, when it was unexpectedly rediscovered. The rarity and secrecy of the Nelson Smalleared Shrew make it one of the world's most endangered species. With their population numbers incredibly low, it wasn't extinction that took them from view, but rather their scarcity and the remoteness of their habitat. Little is known about this shrew's biology, making conservation efforts all the more critical. Scientists believe it is among the top 100 most threatened species on the planet, a stark reminder of how fragile our natural world can be. Despite the rediscovery, the Nelson Smalleared Shrew is teetering on the edge of extinction. Current efforts to preserve this rare mammal are in motion, but its future is uncertain. This species' survival now depends entirely on the urgency and dedication of conservation programs. Its story highlights the importance of protecting even the smallest and most unassuming creatures before they truly disappear forever. Number 10. The Caspian Horse. The Caspian Horse, an extraordinary Iranian breed often referred to as the Oriental Horse, carries a rich legacy that transcends time. Created in 1965 by American expatriate Louise Furrow, who discovered a small stock of horses in the Elburz Mountains, many believe this breed to be a modern marvel. However, a groundbreaking discovery in 2011 changed everything. The remains of a small horse, dating back to 3400 BCE, were unearthed at Gohar Tapa, remarkably matching the characteristics of the Caspian horse. This revelation suggests that these enchanting ponies may be direct descendants of the earliest known domestic horses, linking us to a lineage that has stood the test of time. Today, the Caspian horse is among the rarest breeds on the planet, classified as critically endangered. With only a handful of these magnificent creatures remaining, their survival is at a critical juncture. The commitment of preservationists and enthusiasts is vital to ensure that this remarkable breed does not fade into oblivion once more. The Caspian horse embodies the essence of resilience and history, representing a connection to our past and a potential for the future. By supporting conservation efforts, we can help secure a legacy that has endured for millennia, ensuring that future generations can appreciate the beauty and significance of this ancient breed. Let us rally together to protect the Caspian horse, a living testament to the bond between humanity and nature. Number 9. The gastric brooding frog. Prepare to be amazed by the gastric brooding frog, a remarkable species that defies the ordinary. Also known as the platypus frog, this unique amphibian hails from the lush landscapes of Queensland, Australia. What sets this extraordinary creature apart is its mind-boggling reproductive method. It incubates its young inside its own stomach. Yes, you heard that right. The mother swallows her tadpoles, allowing them to grow safely within her. And when they are ready, she regurgitates them, releasing perfectly formed frogs into the world. Unfortunately, the gastric brooding frog was declared extinct, until a groundbreaking scientific breakthrough reignited hope. Researchers in New South Wales achieved a monumental feat by successfully cloning an embryo using DNA from this long-lost species. This achievement represents one of the first successful attempts to bring back a species thought to be gone forever, a real-life testament to human ingenuity and the wonders of science. While it may sound like something out of Jurassic Park, there's no need to fear. These frogs are harmless, and their incredible story serves as a powerful reminder of the delicate balance of our ecosystems. The gastric brooding frog exemplifies the extraordinary adaptations of nature and highlights the importance of conservation. Let's support efforts to protect and revive not just this fascinating frog, but all endangered species. ensuring that the wonders of our natural world continue to thrive for generations to come. Join the movement to safeguard our planet's incredible biodiversity. Number 8. The New Guinea Singing Dog. Meet the New Guinea Singing Dog, a captivating and ancient breed native to the breathtaking New Guinea highlands. Also known as the New Guinea Highland Dog, this remarkable subspecies is closely related to the Australian dingo, yet it has evolved independently for so long that it now stands as a unique species in its own right. What truly sets the New Guinea Singing Dog apart is its enchanting vocalization. Many have described its calls as resembling melodious singing, a sound that echoes through the lush forests of its homeland. Imagine hearing this beautiful song in the wild, a testament to the wonders of nature. Once thought to be extinct, these dogs were rediscovered in a remote section of the highlands, bringing hope for their future. Thanks to conservation efforts, they have rebounded fairly well and can now be found more commonly in their natural habitat. However, their shy and elusive nature means they often avoid human interaction, preferring the company of their pack in the wild. The indigenous Ipo tribe has long cherished these dogs, not only for their hunting prowess, but also as playful companions for children. Their deep-rooted connection to the culture of New Guinea adds to their allure. As we marvel at the New Guinea Singing Dog, let us recognize the importance of protecting this incredible breed and its habitat. Conservation efforts play a crucial role in ensuring that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive in the wild. By supporting initiatives that safeguard their environment, we can help preserve the unique sounds and heritage of the New Guinea highlands for future generations to appreciate. Join the cause to protect this enchanting dog and the rich biodiversity of our planet. Number 7. The Black Leopard. Enter the mysterious world of the black leopard, often referred to as the Black Panther. This stunning creature isn't a distinct species. Instead, it's a melanistic variant of both the leopard and the jaguar. While the term Black Panther has captured the imagination of many, it's essential to recognize the unique beauty and genetic rarity of these magnificent animals. Black leopards are born from a unique genetic twist. Two recessive alleles come together, giving rise to their striking dark coat. This extraordinary genetic occurrence is incredibly rare and typically results from mutations during the fertilization process. As a result, black leopards are far less common than their black jaguar cousins, making every sighting a rare treasure. Historically, black leopards have faced the threat of extinction, which adds to their allure. While once to be extinct in certain regions, they have re-emerged, reminding us of nature's resilience. However, their rare genetic trait means they will always remain elusive, captivating the hearts of wildlife enthusiasts and researchers alike. The enchanting portrayal of black leopards in popular culture, such as the iconic film Black Panther, has fueled interest in these incredible animals. But the truth is that conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring their survival. Every black leopard plays an important role in the ecosystem, and protecting their habitat is vital for their continued existence. By supporting conservation initiatives and raising awareness about the plight of black leopards, we can help secure a future for these remarkable creatures. Together, let's strive to protect the beauty and biodiversity of our planet, ensuring that generations to come can marvel at the enchanting presence of the black leopard in the wild. Number 6. The Cuban solenodon. Meet the Cuban solenodon, a truly remarkable creature that embodies the spirit of resilience in the face of extinction. This small, shrew-like mammal is native to the lush mountainous forests of Cuba and is the sole survivor of its genus, making it a living testament to the diversity of life on our planet. With its elusive nature, the Cuban solenodon remains a mysterious figure, often hidden from human sight. It resides in burrows and is primarily nocturnal, coming to life under the cover of night. One of its most fascinating features is its toxic saliva, which it uses to subdue its prey, primarily insects. While the toxin isn't particularly potent, a bite would certainly leave a painful reminder of this creature's unique adaptations. For years, the Cuban solenodon was thought to be extinct until it was rediscovered in 1974, much to the relief of conservationists and wildlife enthusiasts. However, this extraordinary species now finds itself endangered, with numbers dwindling due to habitat loss and other environmental pressures. The reproductive rate of the Cuban solenodon adds another layer of challenge to its survival. With a mere 1 to 3 offspring per year, the road to recovery is slow and requires urgent conservation efforts. Each individual is crucial, and protecting their habitats is essential for ensuring their future. We must act now to safeguard the Cuban solenodon and its unique ecosystem. By supporting conservation initiatives and raising awareness about this rare species, we can play a vital role in preserving the incredible biodiversity of our planet. Together, let's ensure that the Cuban solenodon continues to thrive in its natural habitat, allowing future generations to witness the marvel of this extraordinary mammal. Number 5. The pygmy tarsier. Introducing the pygmy tarsier, a captivating nocturnal primate that captures the essence of rarity and resilience. Also known as the mountain tarsier or lesser spectral tarsier, this enchanting creature calls the lush, low-diversity forests of central Sulawesi, Indonesia, its home. The pygmy tarsier is a species that hangs in a delicate balance, with its habitat relying on specific plant life. Even the slightest change can have catastrophic consequences. For decades, it was feared that this extraordinary primate had vanished from the face of the earth. However, a remarkable rediscovery occurred in 2000, when Indonesian scientists accidentally stumbled upon one while trapping rats. This event reignited hope for the survival of this species. While the pygmy tarsier has since been spotted in small numbers, they remain incredibly rare and are a symbol of the fragility of their ecosystem. These small primates are believed to be monogamous, forming lasting bonds with a single partner throughout their lives. Their unique form of communication is truly fascinating. They use ultrasonic frequencies, allowing them to converse without being heard by human ears, a feature that speaks to their mysterious nature. Their diet primarily consists of plants and insects, showcasing their adaptability in a challenging environment. Yet, the pygmy tarsier's continued existence hinges on our commitment to conservation. Protecting their habitat is crucial to ensure that they don't fade into obscurity once more. We have the power to make a difference. By raising awareness about the pygmy tarsier and supporting conservation initiatives, we can help safeguard this remarkable species for generations to come. Together, let's cherish and protect the pygmy tarsier, a true testament to the wonders of nature and the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. Number 4. The giant palous earthworm. Meet the giant palous earthworm, a remarkable and mysterious creature native to the lush Palous region of eastern Washington and northern Idaho. Also known as the Washington giant earthworm, this extraordinary species was first discovered in 1897 by the renowned naturalist Frank Smith. For many years, it was believed to have disappeared from the earth. However, recent evidence, as recent as 2010, has sparked new hope, suggesting that this magnificent worm may still be thriving in its native habitat. Despite its intriguing history, much about the giant palous earthworm remains shrouded in mystery. Adults typically grow to around 8 inches in length, but they are related to an Australian species that can reach an astonishing 3 feet. Imagine the awe of encountering such a giant in the wild. Characterized by its striking albino appearance, this earthworm was once a common sight in its home region, playing a crucial role in the ecosystem by aerating the soil and promoting plant growth. Today, however, the giant palous earthworm is classified as threatened, underscoring the urgency for conservation efforts. Its dwindling numbers highlight the delicate balance of our ecosystems and the pressing need to protect these unique species. The fate of the giant palous earthworm lies in our hands. By advocating for habitat preservation and supporting local conservation initiatives, we can help ensure that this incredible worm does not fade into obscurity. Join us in celebrating the giant palous earthworm and championing the cause of biodiversity. Together, we can protect this living treasure and ensure that future generations can marvel at the wonders of nature. Number 3. The Lord Howe Island stick insect. The Lord Howe Island stick insect, also known as the tree lobster, stands as one of the most extraordinary conservation stories in the insect world. Native to Lord Howe Island, this species was once thought to be extinct, but in a dramatic twist of fate, a small population was rediscovered on the remote islet of Ball's Pyramid. Dubbed the rarest insect in the world, the entire surviving population is estimated at just 24 individuals, making every single one of them a living symbol of resilience and hope. Measuring up to an impressive 8 inches in length, the Lord Howe Island stick insect can weigh around 1 ounce. Despite its large size, it was believed to have disappeared due to the introduction of non-native predators, such as rats, to its home island. However, in a remarkable discovery, scientists found these elusive creatures clinging to survival beneath a single shrub on Ball's Pyramid, a towering rock outcrop that juts from the sea. What makes these insects even more fascinating is their unique reproductive behavior. Females lay their eggs while hanging upside down from branches, and the eggs require a remarkable 9 months to hatch, an incredibly slow process in the insect world. The fate of this species hangs in the balance, as the known population is so small, leaving it vulnerable to the slightest environmental disruption. But hope is not lost. Conservationists are working tirelessly to breed these incredible insects in captivity, with the goal of eventually reintroducing them to Lord Howe Island. Every effort is being made to ensure that these tree lobsters don't vanish again. Their survival serves as a reminder of the fragility of our planet's biodiversity and the importance of every living species in maintaining the balance of nature. The Lord Howe Island stick insect's journey from presumed extinction to rediscovery and conservation is a testament to nature's resilience and our responsibility to protect it. Together, we can help ensure these magnificent insects continue to climb through the branches for generations to come. Number 2. Amars whale. The Amars whale, often referred to as the dwarf fin whale, is one of the ocean's most elusive and enigmatic creatures. This remarkable species remained shrouded in mystery for decades, thought to be extinct until its official description in 2003. The story of the Amars whale is a powerful reminder of how much we have yet to learn about our planet's biodiversity and the fragility of marine life. Before its rediscovery, only snippets of mitochondrial DNA had been collected, casting a shadow over our understanding of this fascinating whale. In the 1970s, Japanese fishing vessels inadvertently caught 9 of these whales. Sadly, without any knowledge of their significance, these remarkable animals were either killed or released, erasing crucial opportunities for research. Little is known about the behavior of Amars whales, but what we do know is astonishing. Their songs are described as low and diffuse, reverberating through the ocean's depths in a hauntingly beautiful manner. These whales are believed to primarily feed on krill, although one specimen was found with crustaceans and fish in its stomach, suggesting a more varied diet than previously thought. Despite their rarity, the Amars whale symbolizes the need for continued research and conservation efforts. Understanding this species could unlock vital insights into marine ecosystems and the impacts of human activity on ocean life. The story of the Amars whale serves as a poignant reminder that even in the vastness of our oceans, every creature plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. As we strive to learn more about this captivating whale, we must remember that our oceans are home to countless hidden wonders waiting to be discovered. The Amars whale's survival depends not only on our understanding, but also on our commitment to protecting its habitat and ensuring a future where these remarkable beings can thrive. Together, we can help preserve the mysteries of the deep and safeguard the incredible diversity of life that calls our oceans home. Number 1. Coelacanth. The coelacanth is not just any fish. It represents a living link to the ancient world, embodying the oldest living lineage of fish known to science. With 2 recognized species, the West Indian Ocean and the Indonesian coelacanth, these remarkable creatures share a unique evolutionary history that ties them more closely to amphibians than to the fish we commonly see today. Imagine this: the oldest known fossils of coelacanths date back over 410 million years. They thrived during the late Cretaceous period, but were believed to have gone extinct until a stunning rediscovery off the coast of South Africa in 1938. This incredible find sparked a fascination with these deep-sea dwellers, which are now classified as critically endangered. Coelacanths gained a newfound popularity when they were featured in the beloved Animal Crossing video game series, where they are portrayed as some of the rarest and most challenging fish to catch. This unique status has only added to their allure. So let's pose a thought-provoking question. Which of these extraordinary animals do you think would be the most thrilling to see still roaming the earth? How would you react if you stumbled upon any of these fascinating creatures in their natural habitat? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this dive into the wonders of our world, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create even more engaging content that covers the topics you love. And be sure to tap that bell icon so you never miss an update. We're always eager to bring you exciting new videos. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we can't wait to see you in the next one.